This is gonna be delicious egg curry, a slice of onions, and then eggplant. And here is soybean. You know, it's really good for health, I think. Here is for salad, tomato. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. What a nice fragrance it is. I love it. I love this kind of khichuri. As a boy, we're cooking, so you see the outlook. Oh my gosh. So, cooking is really like an art, special art in the world. And here's my friend Kausar. He's studying a lot. Oh my gosh, bro.
Fucking study.
You're doing class?
Yeah.
You wanna say something to the people?
কি বলবো?
Whatever you want.
বলতেছি পড়ালেখা করে টাইম ইনভেস্ট, সময় ইনভেস্ট করার কোনো দরকার নাই। তাড়াতাড়ি বিয়ে করে বাচ্চার বাপ হয়ে যাও সবাই।
Wow. Very wonderful thinking. I love it. So this is our lunch. Here is fried soybean, khichuri, and fried eggplant. And here is some salad. I like salad. And here is egg curry. So everything looks so perfect. And they're waiting. I'm also waiting. Okay, let's do it now. So Kausar, tell me one more thing. জীবনের আসল উদ্দেশ্যটা কি? লক্ষ্যটা কি?
জীবনের আসল উদ্দেশ্য হচ্ছে বিশেষ ক্যাডার হওয়া, চিকন চালের ভাত খাওয়া, সুন্দর একটা মেয়েকে বিয়ে করা।
Yeah, that's true, of course. You guys should follow this.